10/15/2025. Not sure if this is witchcraft or something, but a bird fell from a tree. It was in front of my garage door. And then we put it here in the corner, and then sanitation's supposed to come get it within 2 days. Really? It's gonna be eaten by ants by then. Shit like this happens every year at this time. I already had to deal with a perp. Beep your ass. Well, this morning, a perp was crossing the street, scratching his head doing the hat tip. So then he walked to his car, and for some reason, the person that was driving decided to honk him. He wanted the spot. He couldn't wait for the guy to get out of the spot first so he could pull in. Excuse me. They're cursing each other out. I was like, oh well. I like when perps get called out. So that's fun to me. And I just came outside like a couple minutes ago. I have to get fresh air. I'm stuck at the house. They're getting remodeled, my house. So I'm home. I come outside to get fresh air. And I talked to my family for like a couple minutes. Not even that long, maybe 2-3 minutes. They pull out. And a fucking perp was coming out the block, a new one. Looked at his phone, smiled at me, looked at his phone, put the phone away, and then walked closer. I'm like, now you're not getting paid today. And then a woman came the opposite way, and she looked at her phone too. I'm like, this is not my first gang stalking, you stupid assholes. I like cursing them out. They deserve it. So Voodoo Smurf have been coming around every once in a while, like on and off every day. It's different. So he didn't come around yesterday, but Goat Boy did. But I call him that because he got a fucking shirt that says Goat. He got a black sweater, shirt, whatever the hell you call it. Big bold red letters says Goat. Fucking synchronizes me every fucking day. I haven't done it in a while, but yesterday he did it. So he always stands behind the garbage cans of Dunkin' to smoke. And I didn't even know he came into Dunkin' to get his coffee. He was loud. And he always looks over every time he says something, like when he's getting his coffee. He's very loud when he talks on purpose. So I turned around like, ew. Because he gave me that kind of a face once too. He's like, ew. Yeah, you wish. They're so jealous of us. It's kind of funny.
They did. They closed it.
What is that?
See, I knew Nordstrom Rack had a bathroom,
Yeah.
but I didn't know they closed it.
Anyways, I'm trying to film too much. Some people, they don't want to be filmed, which is fine. And they say how that guy synchronized me. So the Go Boy did it. And he always stands behind the wall there to smoke. And then he comes in and he talks loud on the phone about nothing. Mostly sports. LeBron James, actually. That's because they're boring. These perps are boring. But we're more interesting than they are. I know it's hard to believe, but it is. We are who we are. We have personality. They have personality disorders. And then they turn around on us saying we have that, but we don't. They do. Something's wrong with them. So I had a video about gang stalking on my phone. I was already finishing with my coffee anyway. So I turned it on at high volume and walked past them playing it, right? So I stand in the corner of the first tree at the corner. And there was like a van parked on the street, so I saw my reflection. I mean, his reflection. And he's on the phone. He's looking around. He's like getting like a little heated. It was great. And then there was one thing in particular that the dude said in the video. I forgot what it was. He really, he was getting really annoyed. It was great. And I walked away. So now they're messing with my phone. I saw the bird, right? Wi-Fi's been going on and off. I'm home, so I had to come outside to call 311. The phone didn't even have a dial tone. This is what they do. Phone didn't have a dial tone, so I hung up. Called back, and they said it was Home Depot. So I hung up and called again. I finally got through to somebody. So this is what they fucking do. They love to mess with our Wi-Fi and all the other stuff. I don't know what it was. A couple of days ago, the Wi-Fi really went out in the middle of watching something important. I started screaming, "You fucking perps next door, leave my fucking phone alone." I was cursing them out. All of a sudden, the Wi-Fi worked. Like, yeah. Seemed like a perp. I wonder what they do without me. They twiddle their thumbs. Probably flick their assholes. I might go there to get coffee. I don't know. Because I don't know what time they're going to be finished. They started late today. They're pissed off that I'm getting renovations done. But it needed to be done. Sometimes, your house breaks down and you have to fix it. You can't don't ever wait. Because, we had a lot of water damage because of these fucking perps. That's the thing too, like if you don't fix something for years and years and years, that's gang stalking right there, because how you not gonna want to fix something? Oh great, he's got a motorcycle. Dude needs to go to school. That's druggy Smurf's son. Of course he's got a girlfriend. I don't have a boyfriend, so that's not fair.